Just as a disclaimer, guys, Katie's audio in this video is really bad. We're so sorry. Hey, hi guys, it is version 11.6 in Bloxburg, and today me and Katie will be looking through all of the items and stuff. So yeah, let's start on this new plot. Let's go next to Katie to the blossom tree because we need level 8.
Oh, I don't have that for you.
No. Oh, we can't do the tomatoes either. We can't do the tomatoes either. All the strawberries, all the berries, all the onions, all the roses. John. Okay. Okay, there's windows. So first I'm gonna. Okay, there's also. Okay, I'm gonna make a wall for the. Okay, build. New. We've got a new window. And.
Oh my god, that's actually cute.
And door. I'm gonna use one of the new materials. Let me have a little look. We have got this this garden lopers. We've got a garden. I'm gonna put that there. We got a bridge. We got some bridges, which are quite expensive, but you know, because you know, yeah, this is quite expensive. But I'm gonna get a bridge. There are bridges now. Quite expensive, so I'm just gonna do this one. Okay, there's beehives with bees, which we will show later. Another fence. There. A hose. A food canning station. We have got a weed trimmer. We've got all of these berry bushes. We have also got a insect hotel.
What is that? Gardening seeds.
A gnome. Some soil. Put that one there. This is stackable. You can put that.
Oh my god!
So you can put that like that. Decorate. What else? What else do we have? What's new? All of that. Yep. We got the hose. Obviously the blossom tree, but sadly I'm not high enough level. I'm gonna put one of these bushes because they're cute down, and I'm gonna put another new thing down all on this floor. Let me just make a floor. So I'm gonna look at the grass. There is new grass material, I have heard. Let me look for it. Let's see anything else. Grass. Oh, there. Okay. Yeah. Look at that. Let's have a little look. We got a bag of soil. Place that down. We have got a hose. We can collect honey. Let's see. Oh my god. Katie. Look at this. I'm getting honey. I got honey.
I want honey. How do I get honey?
I used all the honey. I got it all.
Oh my god.
You got away. Look at the bees. Let's see the bees.
I'm taking your honey.
Oh, that's so cute. Put the honey back down.
Bye.
Put the honey down. Right.
Bye.
Put the honey down. What's this?
You try to chop me with that.
Come here.
You
Who's this?
honey.
You want honey? I'll snip you. Come here.
Can I get some insects?
I will snip you. Yeah.
Cute.
That's so cute. Okay, let's go back in build mode. Now we've seen. Oh? All these people coming to see our stuff. Let's see. I mean, I'm pretty sure that's everything other than the bridges, but I'm kind of broke. I mean, I'm not, but I don't want to use all of it on that. Okay, so we've got a welcome mat. Let me put this on there. We've got a flower pillow. Already seen them. A step ladder. Let me turn that the right way. A ladder. Solar panels, but you know, they're really expensive, so I can't do that. But there is solar panels. What's this? Glowing landscape orb. There's an orb. Let's make sure it's warm lighting. Oh no. Actually, yeah, we just keep it. Just keep it that. Okay, there's a kit of apples. That's cute. Let's get a fridge to see all the new foods. I'm sorry guys that we can't show everything because we're not high enough garden level and we're kind of broke, but yes. Something. I'm gonna get something, guys. I'm gonna get for 600 blocks. For 600 blocks bucks, I'm gonna get the color wheel access. I bought it. Okay, I bought it. Oh, look at this. I'm gonna paint it like blue. Look, Katie, look at the colors I've got with the color wheel. Katie, yes or no?
Yes or no to what?
Just yes or no?
To what?
Just yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so Katie has said yes. So guys, I am buying the 600 Robux Transform Plus Game Pass. Here we go. I have bought it. 600 Robux.
Oh my god.
Okay, well, I need a fridge. Okay, I'm getting distracted. I need a fridge. And let's see if there's any new foods. Okay. There's a new pie. A mixed berry pie. Other new stuff.
Is that the only new thing?
Nope. There's jelly toast.
Oh, lovely.
Lovely doubly. We got jelly toast.
But you have to toast it.
Oh, most likely. Nope, you don't. You don't.
That is jelly bread.
Yep, that is jelly bread. You heard it here, folks. Jelly bread. Oi, don't eat my damn toast.
I was hungry.
Kick out of here. Whoa. What just happened to you?
I know, I just went flying. Oh my god.
What? Huh? Wait.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Hey, oh god, the pie is ready. We got the pie. I'm gonna store the pie. That is all of the, yeah, I know. That is all of the update items, but now we're going to go to Katie's Cafe, where we will stock up some food, like the new Easter and April, spring food.
How do you have herbs?
Huh? You gave me perhaps.
I think that's what a deep fryer is.
Deep fry your donuts. We need to stock up. Hi guys, it's the next day. Sadly, I don't have Katie with me at the moment for the rest of the video, but I'm just here to say and show the few items and stuff that I forgot to mention / I don't really know at the time. So yeah, some secret updates. So first, you can now carry crates for role-playing, moving videos and stuff, and even better, you can place it wherever. There is also something I never showed anyone because I didn't know. you can actually use this, and there's an animation, and you can make dirt for free. There is also, guys, a new animation for when you plant something. So if I plant some short grass, you see you empty the seeds, make sure you cover it, and then you water it. So yeah, this is the new animation for planting. And yeah, so you can do that. Another thing we didn't mention was that you can make loads of different jams and jellies with your favourite fruits. So we're going to try all the fruits, which I'm pretty sure work. First, we're going to try some grapes. Let's give it a little mix. Do. Got that. And I need to pour it in there. And this is the animation, by the way, guys, for it. We've got some grape. And for role plays, you can actually, if you grab this, you can add some grape jelly in your nice hot chocolate. I love a nice grape hot chocolate at 8:44 a.m. on a Friday. Let me just put my hot chocolate back down. You can do it. It doesn't use it up. You can also do it on other things, like you can put it on your banana. You can put it on literally any food you want for role plays. So yeah, that's a cool feature. Now we're going to try the orange. And let's see what comes out. Sadly, because as you saw earlier in the video, I'm not the high enough level for onions, blueberries / any berry, because you can paint it. Blueberries, onions, blueberries, strawberries and tomatoes, but I'll just show you guys. So it's kind of a yellowy, mustardy colour for the, what did I just do? Oh, the orange, that's right. Now I'm going to do the pear. And let's give it a little mix. It'd be cool if they changed the colour in like the pot bit, but I know that's like more work, so it's fine as long as it's now, at least it's a different colour when you like get it. This is kind of like it's a bit like the orange, but like a lot lighter, like a lot less saturated. Actually, okay, now I'm gonna do watermelon. To use watermelon slices, you must use a full watermelon. Okay, let's give it a little mix. If you guys have any suggestions for other videos in the future, just give us a shout in the comments and we will do all of your requests. Okay, so this is a nice jam. It's very sad that I don't have strawberry, because strawberry jam, I kind of forgot. Oh, yep, I just did watermelon. Okay, now I'm going to do an apple jelly / jam. It's very cool. And then we can try wait and see the bird. See if we can get a bird, because I didn't show a bird in the video. I showed a butterfly, but I didn't show a bird. And I showed the bees. But, ooh, this one's a bit like the orange. And I'm going to do banana. Banana. Just wait and look out to see if we can spot any birds. And then we've obviously got the honey jar. And now carrot is the last one I can do. And then obviously you can do blueberries, tomatoes, strawberries and onions. But sadly I'm not a high enough gardening level. If you guys see, I'm at level 3. But I did try, but it was very expensive. I need to work soon. But okay, so yeah, this is all of the... So this is all of the like jellies and jams. Then obviously we've got some jam toast, and this is for Katie. I'm going to eat all of it because I'm a pig. This is for Katie when she ate my jam toast yesterday, which was very rude. Oh, and look, another cool feature is, although it is floating, it leaves like a jam stain. I'm just going to get rid of that, and I'm going to store my hot chocolate because, you know. Oh, can I not? Oh, I guess I can't. Well, I guess I'm just going to drink it. Okay. I'm just gonna get rid of that. So yeah, there all this. Oh, okay. Oh no, there's a bird. You just saw it. There was a bird eating, and then we've obviously got the gnomes. And I didn't show this yesterday either. These like glass and this windows and doors. They're like nets. So it's cool. They're like that kind of like thing, you know, in the. And then we've obviously got the bees. Let me collect some honey. So yeah, these were all of the Bloxburg 0.11.6 update features. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, bye guys. See you next time. Sayonara.